Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class. Yesterday I taught you the chapter 5, Friend No More. Okay? The chapter 5 of life skill, Friend No More. So now today I am going to continue with this chapter, and I already told you yesterday the moral thought of this story. I repeat it again today. Basically this story moves around this diamond ring. Okay, and the moral thought of this story is greed makes a person blind and leads to his or her doom. Okay, it means greed makes a person blind and leads to his or her doom. Okay, a person who happens to be greedy always has a blind eye, okay, and does not know where he leads. So students, we never happen to be greedy. Okay, greedy is a bad thing. So this story is moving around this diamond ring. Okay, now come with this story. Mullah Nasruddin was a rich diamond merchant. Mullah Nasruddin was a rich diamond merchant. Mullah Nasruddin एक अमीर हीरो का व्यापारी था. Okay, diamond merchant means who sell diamonds. Okay, one day he decided to go on a pilgrimage to Mecca and Medina. Pilgrimage means a holy place of Muslims. Okay, one day he decided to go on a holy place to Mecca and Medina. Before sailing away to Mecca, he gave a diamond ring to his friend to God till he returned. Okay, he told his friend when he will come, he will take the diamond ring from him. Okay, his friend, after 2 years, Mullah Nasruddin came back and asked his friend to return the ring. Okay, but his friend told him that he had already returned him the ring 2 days before. His friend did not keep his promise. Okay, and he changed his words and told him that he already returned him the ring 2 days back. Mullah Nasruddin was stunned to hear that. Mullah Nasruddin was shocked. Okay, he requested to his friend not to cheat him for a greedy of some money. He requested to his friend not to cheat him. उसके साथ धोखा नहीं करे. Okay, कुछ पैसों के लिए. Okay, but his friend did not listen to him. But he did not care his word. But his friend did not care his words. Mullah Nasruddin was very upset. Mullah Nasruddin was very upset, and after that, later on, Mullah Nasruddin went to the law court to seek justice. Okay, he went to the court and wanted justice for him. He pleaded to the judge with his story. Okay, pleaded means made an emotional appeal or begged. Okay, he pleaded to the judge with his story. He made an emotional appeal to the judge. The judge called Mullah Nasruddin's friend and asked him whether he had returned the diamond ring to its owner. Okay, the man told the judge that he had returned the diamond ring to Mullah Nasruddin in front of three witnesses. Okay, and the three witnesses, students, yes, this is Mullah Nasruddin and this is judge. And here three witness. The three witness were the barber, potter and washerman. बच्चों, who is barber? Barber, a person who cuts men's hair and shaves. Okay. And potter means a person who makes pot, bowls, plates out of clay. Or in other words, we can say that a person who makes pottery by hand. Okay, means कुम्हार, जो अपने हाथों से मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाता है. And washerman, a man who wash clothes, or you can say that a laundry man. Okay. And in other words, and in Hindi you can say that dhobi. Okay, got it? The judge called the three witnesses and asked him whether they had seen Mullah Nasruddin's friend returning the ring back to him. The three witnesses, who is barber, potter and washerman. Okay, so the three witnesses affirmed before the judge that they saw Mullah Nasruddin's friend returning the diamond ring to him. Affirmed means state formally or publicly. वो publicly बोलते हैं कि उन्होंने देखा है मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन को रिंग को वापस लौटाते हुए अपने फ्रेंड. ओके. मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन got furious. Furious means extremely angry. Of course, he got extremely angry because all the witnesses are told a lie and told the judge that the witnesses were bribed to lie. Bribed to lie means gave money to someone for doing something dishonest. किसी को पैसे दे के गलत काम करवाना means bribed. Okay. The judge asked Mullah Nasruddin to sit quietly because he is angry too much. So the judge asked Mullah Nasruddin to sit quietly. The judge whispered some instruction to the assignment and they ordered everyone to go out of the law court. Okay. वो सभी को कोर्ट के बाहर जाने को बोल देता है. So later Mullah Nasruddin, his friend and three witnesses were given some clay and they were individually led to separated rooms. वो तीनों witnesses को कुछ clay देता है और उनको एक separated room में shift कर देता है. Each of them was asked to make a model of the diamond ring with the clay. The judge told to all three witnesses that they make a model of the diamond ring with the clay. Okay. Means जो उन्होंने अगर उन्होंने वो रिंग देखी है तो वो उसका एक मॉडल बनाए क्ले के थ्रू. Got it, students? Ask a short while 5 models of the diamond ring in clay were presented. Okay. In a short time 5 models of the diamond ring in clay were presented. The model made by Mullah Nasruddin and his friend resembled each other. Of course, Mullah Nasruddin की ring and his friend की ring, उसके friend की ring, both are same. And the barber made the model in the shape of sharpened stone. Okay. And the potter model resembled a brick from his kiln, while the shape of the washerman model resembled the edge of his washing stone. Because जो जिस तरह का काम करता है तो वो उसी तरह की क्ले से डायमंड रिंग बना देता है. ओके. बार्बर कैसे बनाता है? ही मेड द मॉडल इन द शेप ऑफ शार्पन स्टोन. एक शार्पन स्टोन की तरह वो एक रिंग को ड्रॉ कर देता है. ओके. and potter made a model resemble a bricks from his kiln. Okay, while the shape of the washerman model resembled the edge of his, एक just like a washing stone, एक washing stone की तरह diamond ring को बना देता है. Why? Because वो तीनों विटनेसेस झूठ बोल रहे होते हैं, है ना, उनको नहीं पता होता है कि रिंग कैसी होती है. सो द जज वाज कन्विंस्ड दैट द थ्री विटनेसेस हैज़ नेवर सीन दैट डायमंड रिंग बिफोर. यस, कन्विंस्ड मीन्स सर्टेन अबाउट समथिंग. ओके, द जज ऑर्डर्ड मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन फ्रेंड्स टू रिटर्न द डायमंड रिंग and sentenced him and the three witnesses to rigorous imprisonment. Okay, rigorous means strict. Okay, and imprisonment means captivity, custody. उनको अपनी कस्टडी में ले लेता है बिकॉज ऑल द विटनेसेस आर टोल्ड ए लाई, सब झूठ बोल रहे होते हैं, इसलिए वो उनको उन पे स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेता है और उनको अपनी कस्टडी में रख लेता है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस पूरी स्टोरी से हमें क्या मॉरल थॉट मिलता है? हमें ये मॉरल थॉट मिलता है कि greed makes a person blind and leads to his or her doom. Okay, means a person who happens to be greedy always has a blind eye and does not know where he leads. Okay, so we never happen to be greedy. Okay students, your whole story is finished now. So first of all, you all have to do that moral thought. Your moral thought of this chapter 5, आप सभी को इसको अपनी नोटबुक में इस तरह से आपको बनाना है. ओके, सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, if you ask any doubt, okay, if you have any doubt, so ask me from the whole story. Okay, so now we finished our story and tomorrow we will start our exercises and question answer. Okay, so students, good day all of you. Keep learning, keep growing.